So this is the pound USD analysis for Thursday the 28th of September. Let me go out to the higher time frames first, see where we are. Currently on the monthly, we were putting in a bullish engulfing candle with prices did appear to be closing near the highs, but we have pulled back quite a bit from there. Not exactly 50%, but we have pulled back quite a bit from the highs of the month so far. If I go down to the weekly, I'm pretty sure we're trading below the weekly open. Yes, we are, which for me, weekly is being the my most important pivot. And on the weekly time frame, we could still potentially have a bull flag form before price reaches before prices reach. I'll just have a look at that level on a lower time frame. Yes, we could have a bull flag form before we reach say 31.47, but currently this market does appear to be turning increasingly towards the short side, especially in the short term. Now, if I go out to, we're currently on the hourly chart, and yep, we've come back down quite a bit off the 36.57 down over. We've breached the 34. Yes, we've gone all the way down to the high 33s. Let's get this down, and what we've seen is we did see a bit of a bounce at 34.29, and on the retest we broke it. We've had a retest from the other side, coupled with this moving average here in red, and we did sell off a little bit from there, but we did not breach the previous lows over here, which were at where were our lows over here? Our lows were at 33.64, let's just say. We've not breached it, though. We're currently in a period of low volatility during the Wellington session. Now, the price, you'd say at the moment, it not following through. We're having a series of green candles. A retest of 34.29s seems more likely at the moment, at this moment in time, whereby if we do get a rejection, I would be confident in expecting the price to go on to test the level below, being 33.50. A break and hold of that, 32.81 will come into focus, and below that, which I don't expect to see this week, 31.47. Now, overall, on the hourly time frame, we've seen we're currently trading below the 200-period moving average. I did mention the test all the way up over here on the 26th, the test and rejection. So we are trading below the 200-period moving average. We're below the weekly pivot. So I do remain bearish the pound USD, especially in the short to mid-term. The overall trend, though, however, on longer time frames is to the upside. The breakout from a couple weeks now. Was it last week? Mainly last week, really. And well, not last week, the week before that, and the week before that as well. So with everything, that's interesting. I've just noticed something here. The actual most recent high where we've pulled back from, around 36.57, is the pretty much where price closed on the Brexit week in June last year. So let's just see on the charts, where did we close on Brexit week? And the close was at 36.59. Wow, that's interesting. The close on Brexit week was 36.59. Let's just say 36.60, and price has come up to that close, and in fact reversed from 36 1.55. So within 5 pips of the close of the Brexit candle, price has reversed somewhat, which is interesting. It's interesting to bear in mind. So we could get I'm looking to see what happens on this retest up here at 34.29. If this mentioned before, if this level holds again, I'm going to be increasingly confident for my short to mid-term bias to the short side. So that will wrap it up for the Pan USD. Before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.